In this video, we will show you how to change cursor on Windows 11. To change your default cursor in Windows 11, it's very easy. Maybe this is just advice. You can also using custom cursor and you can download from rw-designer.com/cursor-library. In here, you can see there are many cursor that you can download. Okay, for each category, it have this own cursor. For example, like this. You can download any cursor you want to use on your Windows 11. Okay, for example, you can download this, and the cursor is the extension with .cur in here. You can see I already have a cursor here. We can just download it. After that, to using the cursor that we just download, open the control panel on your Windows 11. Just type control panel on your search bar and open it. After that, make sure this is using small icons. Usually is look like this, and you can change into the small icons. And then choose mouse in here. After that, you can select the pointers tab, and you can see you can using the normal. This is we can't use here, and you can using the browse for your custom that you just download. Okay, for example, we add the cursor here. Okay, just select here, or this is we can click open, then we can click apply. After that, your cursor will be changed here. Okay, you can see now my cursor has been changed to this. You can see, and you can custom your active link cursor. For example, here. Okay, just select pointers. Okay, and you can change the hand cursor when you are activate or look shortcut or link like this. You can just drag here and select the hand cursor. Okay, link select, and you can using browse, and you can select the cursor that we just download here and click apply and click OK. Now you can see our cursor has been changed. And that's all. Tutorial how to change cursor on Windows 11. It's default cursor and also link cursor like this. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.